This is Patty Dunn with All Dunn Designs. We are back with this prom dress, and it's about 2 sizes too big for this poor girl. And in the middle here of the bodice, there's a open spot, and when we tried this on, we had to pull it together because it was just too much fabric and too wide across. And that's one thing about it. Sometimes when you give your measurements to a company and then they send you a dress, sometimes, you know, your measurements are good, but they don't have the concept of everything, and bust points, how wide you are across, and sometimes it's just they take the bigger sizes, and that's happened. I can tell you at least 3 times. Different people that I know that have ordered online and taken their measurements, thought they were going to get exactly what they wanted, and it comes out to be much more larger because they want to make sure it fits. So they take the larger size. It's not custom fit. So just so you know, I don't know if there is a company out there that really comes true to that, but not the ones that seem to be on the internet. So now let me show you what I'm going to do here. I am going to take and just follow this line right here that belongs to that opening, and then when I get that basted in, I'm going to look and see, and I'm probably going to look and see what I can do with the lace. I have tried my best to get some of this lace loose, but it is not only glued on, but it's this fabric is very this netting is very fine, and it makes it really hard to take anything out because it definitely rips. So let's see if I can do this with all of this equipment here and be able to. I don't think you're going to be able to see this, but basically what I'm going to do is stitch right down the center of I'm going to stitch right across here and take away that, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like.